Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang Thermal 017, Pueen Nature Lover 01. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Beauty Bang's Thermal and it's number 017. This is one Miss Becky sent me. And I'm in love with this thermal. It's so freaking gorgeous. I mean, the color change on this one's just so nice, so cool. I've got lots of pictures at the end to show you in all of its states of warm, cold, and in between. Capping my free edge real quick. I'm going to go in with my second coat. Now I'm going to tell you, when I first started using thermal polishes that were really reactive, they kind of freaked me out because it looks like something's wrong with the polish as you're applying it to your nail. It looks kind of streaky and funky, but it's the color change. And once you get used to that, you're good to go. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this to dry down so I can do some serious playing today. I am in the mood, let me just tell you. Ready for some serious nail playing. I'm going to cap my free edge. I love that. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. You can see that gold shimmer. This is Pueen Nature Lover 01, and I've got a couple of stampers out here. Well, actually 3. My Maniology scraper card, and of course Braves Diva, and this one is on the black. And I'm going to swatch out 3 of these little flower images. Now, y'all don't be worried about what's on my other hand. Y'all know I'm going to share that one too. I know y'all be asking, what's on your other hand? And I do love that. I think it's cute that you guys are, paying attention, and y'all know that this junkie's gonna have something different on both of her hands, okay? It's just the way us crazy women work. And I'm not the only one. I mean, Guyleen, everybody. Miss Tammy, everybody. We all like that. We all do it. It's because we have more ideas than we do nails, so we do what we can. I'll be using this Beauty Big Bang. It's the Chameleon polish, and this is 001. And I've got my Robin Moses wand out today, and I'm getting really comfortable with this thing. I am so glad. It really does making this easier. But I love this multi-chrome. It's green, it's purple, it's blue, it's teal. I was so excited to play with this one today, and I knew I wanted to do some reversed advanced stamping, whatever you want to call it. I knew that I had to do this with this polish. I'd originally envisioned like some butterfly images kind of going across the nail, but when I realized I was doing it on a thermal, I kind of changed plans. So you may see me revisit this duochrome, multi-chrome advanced stamping again. If I can ever find my butterfly image that I have on a plate somewhere. Y'all, I've looked through plates and looked through plates, and I still haven't ran across the exact one I'm looking for. I'm going to flip it over real quick and see how that looks. Looks like I got it filled in pretty good. And here we go on with the rest of it. I am going to be using the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls as my sticky base coat. I'm only putting it on my 2 middle nails there, my ring finger and my middle fingernail. You can see it's changed colors, how dramatic. And now I'm going to plop these little images on right down the middle. To me, I thought this was just perfect. And I did do the same image on my thumb also. I don't know if I'm going to show that, if you'll get to see. Here we go. I'm going to get a little bit of teeny bit of acetone on my brush and make sure that I've got everything cleaned up. Good golly, Miss Molly, there's no mess to clean up, but you're still doing it, aren't you? I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat because the side that's facing up is still risky. So I'm going to use this. There we go. I'm going to top it all off with some Moonshine Manny. Let's go top coat. You can see that green, blue, teal, purpley, blue. Oh, y'all, I just really, really liked this. I enjoyed it. Cap my free edge again here. Here we go. Now I do have 3 photos coming up. We've got the cold, the in between, and the warm. Here we go. And look how pretty that looks. And there's the halfsies. And then the final one. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this one down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.